Hi, this is Roy from Magewell. We are at the InfoComm 2026, and at this show we are showcasing our new generation of IP decoders. All these decoders are now with higher performance, better operational flexibility. And the new features that we are adding is the HDR support for the videos, so that gives you a richer image for the applications that requires it, like the live production for the TV producers. And another nice feature about it is like it can now do a multi-view showcase up to 4 of the stream that you bring in one screen. So that is very valuable for the applications like the monitoring, control room, and then live production where the operators need to see multiple streams in one screen. So these are available in an AIO model for 4K that will be for SDI and HDMI output. And then we also have a HDMI 4K only version and a 2K version that supports both the new features. And so to learn more about these new products, please visit magewell.com. And feel free to drop by our booth at North Hall 7736. Thank you.